Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop music on TikTok. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok account. After that, what you want to do is click on this plus button which is on the bottom of your screen and select the video that you want to crop music to. For example, I'll select this video. Now add some music here by clicking on add sound. For example, I'll add this music. To crop this music, all I gotta do is click on this scissor button. And that's how you can crop music on your TikTok. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.